Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, March the 22nd, 2022. We have here in this additional 9 extra puzzles. The first one is the 1 star. Then we have a 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle number 2. And those puzzles I'm not interested, so there are total of 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, too much for me, time consuming. I only do 5 of them. The 3 star Sudoku, the 4 star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and a killer Sudoku for today. Yes, and this will be number 4293. Let me mark this 4293. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 printed digits. Correct. 3 stars puzzles. 3 stars Sudokus has always 25 printed digits. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need my time limit. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 1 2. We have here 3 3s, 3 4s, 2 5s, 4 6s. Okay. 3 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. Okay, let me see with it. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. All right. I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes in this row. So the 3 could be here or could be there in this row. We see there another 3, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in a column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. How about? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We have a 9 and a 6. 6 in this column. So no 9 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 6 goes in those 3 boxes. 9 and a 6, okay. So we have a 9 and a 6 in the first column, 9 and a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. Then 3 missing numbers in this third column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Let me place this here. 2, 4, 5. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. I believe the 7, yeah. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, yeah. The 7 is missing. Oh, wait. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. 8. Yeah. Okay. All right. 1. How about the 4 then? Yeah. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the second column. So no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in the second row. So no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Then I'm thinking. 1. Yeah, 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. All right. 2 and 3. No. 2 and 8. 8 is missing. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. The 9 in the last row. The 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. 1 box left in this row, the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 8 and the 2, 8 and the 2, 8 and the 2, 8 and the 2. Okay. How about 6? I need a 6 here. 6. Yeah. 6. 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. We have a 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be here. So the 2 and the 5 are left now in this big square. 2 and the 5. I've marked those 2, 4, and a 5, but now we have a 4 here, so the 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Can I count with the 4? Yes, 4. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be there. 5 2, no, 1 missing number in this row for number 1. Okay, so we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers. Yeah. In this row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Can I count the 3? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. I'll show the 2 and the 8, I believe. Yes, 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row. For number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in the first row. For the number 1, the 2 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, 3 stars. Let me give this 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing those for more than 6 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have here the 692, 692, the 547, 547, the 813, 813. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No pairs. Amazing. All the numbers are used. Wow. Thank you again. And I will see you later with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.